Hi, sir.
Hi,
Good afternoon.
good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Very good afternoon. So we are where we are. With how many problems done? This is one of the very difficult problems. पर इसके लिए टाइम है आपको काफी.
Which problem?
अच्छा, you are not. I have not shared.
Sir, yes, sir. You have not shared.
See, this is the very. This was very difficult.
Yes, we can see.
Sir, you are not clearly audible.
Yeah, I am connecting another device. What we were doing?
Discover attack. Queries.
And how many I have done? Last time we started from 61. Okay. Have we done this? Yeah, we have done this. This over here. Fine. We did this. Yeah, we did this also. Yes, here we were. This also we have done. Yeah, this was the last one, right? We tried. Okay. So from 75. Just wait, I will write it.
Only 5 students.
They will come. Who all are there? Let me see.
Sir, you are not audible.
Just wait. Just. दुसरा फोन काय झाला आहे का तिकडे Hello, am I audible now? Perfectly?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Good, good. So this was the problem we have to solve. Today we have to complete all 94. Huh? White to move a piece to create discovered attack. I will take the present in the meantime. Huh? You try to solve that. I'll take the present. Riddhi is there.
Riddhi is not there.
Okay. Then Sia.
She is there.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Then Himanshi,
Not there.
Ira,
Not there.
Dev,
He is there.
Yes, sir.
Ranveer,
May I?
आदित्य का नाम
Not
मैं निकाल रहा हूँ या पृथ्वी
Yes, sir.
there.
Durga, she will be joining late. She has messaged me. Samia,
She is
Yes,
there.
sir.
not he, she is there.
Yes, I was
Yeah.
telling she only.
Okay, fine. Uh, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only 5. We will go ahead. Don't worry. No issues. Yes. Anybody?
Sir, can
You
I
start
try?
from. Yeah. Can I? Start from Samia. First Samia.
Yes, sir.
Then Prithvi. Then Ranveer. Then Dev. Then Sia.
Sir, the queen will come to E3.
Queen will come to E3. That is attacking the knight. The hidden attack is there from rook on the knight. That is true. You are opening up, but there is a direct attack also, no? Direct attack from the queen. Why queen should go for it? Queen can take the knight directly.
Sir,
Queen can take this directly. Why queen should come over here? Yeah, next is Prithvi.
sir,
ये
the
बोल.
knight to d5.
Knight to d5. Knight to d5. Attacking what? Attacking what?
Sir, giving checkmate attack and queen attacking queen.
Perfect. Absolutely. Knight to d5. Knight to d5. Then next attack is over here. Check and mate. So this attack, to save this attack, one must kill this. So killing will be either with this or with this. If with pawn, then queen will kill queen. And if queen, then pawn will kill the queen or pawn will kill the king. So you are getting your opponent's queen perfectly well, easily. Because this attack you cannot avoid. हाँ ये अगर यहाँ पर होता है अगर तो you could have attack, come over here and saved. But again, it is not possible. So you have to take this and then this. Clear? All of you?
Yeah.
When queen takes queen, then what will happen? Check and mate. Next, black to move. Find discovered attack. Who is next? Next is Dev.
Sir, knight to e3.
Knight to e3. 1 minute. Huh? Knight to e3. Knight to e3. Attacking this and attacking this. What if this takes knight to e3? You said. What if this knight takes knight? Or this comes over here. This comes over here.
Sir, can I?
No, let him answer.
No, sir, but
Sir,
but when knight comes to e3, before that only there is no. Yes.
Sir, can I answer?
Yes, yeah.
Sir, the black knight to f4.
Queen will kill.
Black knight to f4. Fine. Black knight to f4. You are saying this. Okay.
Queen will.
Now there is chance that either queen will kill or this will kill. Okay. Two options. And third option is nobody will kill and this will go over here.
But there is a checkmate attack possible.
Yeah. Which one? How? That is what you have to show me.
Sir, the black queen will kill the white knight in g2 and checkmate because the rook is
Okay.
supported.
That means you are saying that if you come over here, okay, sorry, you come over here, then queen kills and then this queen kills and mate, all right? Okay, I said what if you kill knight with your with white knights?
Black queen will occupy the space.
If black queen comes over here, this knight will come back, na? See, this over here, then this over here. If this over here, this will kill.
Sir, then the queen can come to f3 then.
F3, but not a good option. There is a better option. There is a better option. You can't see that.
Sir, can I say?
Yes, yeah.
Sir, the knight to f6.
Knight to F6. No, that is not at all good. That is not at all good. So this over here,
Queen takes
what will happen?
knight.
No, queen won't take. Queen will come over here to save this. Because there is an attack, na? Two attacks are there.
Sir, the knight to b4.
Knight to B4. Again, this will come over here for the rescue. Or even this can kill. No, not kill. This will come for rescue. That is correct. Because there is an immediate mating threat. Come on, Samya. Somebody joined. Who was that? Ira. Ira, it is not Samya's chance. Ira, it is your chance. Yes. Question goes to Samya. Well, we have to finish. It is just before your eyes and you are not able to see it. Again and again, I am coining this word. You see it. There is a beautiful movie, English movie, of course. The name of the movie is Now You Can See Me. Name of the movie is Now You Can See Me.
Sir,
Sir, can I
beautiful
say?
movie.
Sir.
Yes.
Sir,
Yes, it is Prithvi now.
Sir, the queen to c3.
Queen to C3, check. That is not a discovered attack. That is one beautiful check.
sir,
Sir,
can I say?
So
That
thought
is a very
C3.
good check. No, wait, just wait. We will first see what Prithvi has said. Prithvi has said this, beautiful. Check. This check, this cannot go over here, not over here, not over here. Even this cannot come in the middle. This cannot come also because this will kill. So nobody can come in the middle. This will go over here. Then next check here. So this has to go over here and then mate. So that is a beautiful, Prithvi. That was a very good move. Absolutely. But our question is not this.
Yes, sir. It is discovered attack.
It is discovered attack. Though you
Malapani-
are solving this position in a different way, that is awesome. I didn't realize that until you told me. So that was good. No, I must encourage all these things. No? Good things are always good things. So shall I tell you? Who was that? Somebody was asking me. I think Sia. Yes, Sia.
Sir, the rook to the G2 knight.
Rook to G2 knight is also a beautiful solution, but it is not the correct one. Rook to G2 knight is what it is doing. It is not a now compulsory move for white to kill this. Right? It is not a compulsory. So next move, white may come over here, give check. So for this check, this cannot come in the middle. This cannot come in the middle. So only thing is that this will go over here. Then check. See here, king cannot come over here. If king comes over here, it is a difficulty. No, it's same way. King will escape over here and then this will kill. That's all. So still the game is equal. Game is equal. So this cannot be said as a good solution. There is a better solution for this. Now everybody stop thinking. Let me tell you. See, you were very near the answer. When somebody said this over here or somebody said this over here, I think both of these are correct. But what you were not able to tell me is what will happen afterwards. Because there is a clear discover attack over here. You can see this attack. Okay. Let us find out first one by one. First over here. Here, knight is attacking this and knight is attacking this also. Okay. Now, this knight has one attack from knight, one attack from this, 2 and one attack from this, 3. 3 attacks. And how many supports? Only 1. So max to max.
Sir,
this
queen
can
will come.
Queen will come. Queen will come only here. Not here and not here. यहाँ पर मरेगा और यहाँ पर भी मरेगा ही. So only one over here. If queen comes, then what will happen? Again attack on queen. But now if this kills, then the problem. You understand? This has to go back. So instead of this coming over here, this is better, na? Now it is clear white's majority. Clear white's majority and white will win. There is a support. There is a support. No check from white queen over here. So everything is good. You got this? So this is one little good move. I am saying better advantage. The best move is
F4.
of course and of course this. Here queen is not allowed to come over here. You understand? Queen cannot come for the safety of this. If queen can come over here also, no. Queen will get killed. So again, this is not possible. This is not possible. This is not possible because of this. So either this has to kill or this has to kill. What about this? Everybody couldn't see this. You could see up to here. I asked the question and you said this. Why this? Why not this? Check and mate. Queen coming to H1 is a checkmate. And you failed to see that.
Sir, what if the queen came to G2?
G2 में आएगा तो ये मारेगा ना. ये क्या के लिए बैठा है. और ये जो चेक था, ये चेक में ये नीचे आएगा. तो फिर वापस ये चेक. फिर ये वापस नीचे आएगा. फिर ये check and mate. You understood? There is a check and mate. Of course, there is a check and mate. But this process is very long. The best way is from here to here. This everybody missed this H1 square. That is why I am taking little more time for this problem. You missed. Try to look at every square on the board, all 64 squares. That is why I say, na, you see it. Watching means observing. Now here see means you should be able to see entire board, which you are not doing presently.
So,
See, same thing.
sir, I joined now.
Yeah.
Because network is
Riddhi, no,
not
yeah.
there.
Okay.
Network not-
It is under recording is going on, so you need not have to worry. Your first 25 minutes which you lost, you will get it in the recording. I will post a recording in the evening or by tomorrow morning. Both the days, Monday and Wednesday, both the recordings are to be posted. So I will post it on YouTube. Okay. So next problem, black to move. Black to move.
Sir,
No, it is whose chance? Riddhi's chance. Then Samya will come. No. Samya is over. No? Ranveer, then Ranveer.
sir,
Come on, Riddhi. Come on, Riddhi.
sir, bishop to F4.
Bishop to F4. Attacking. Bishop attacking this. And this attacking this. So what will happen? Rook takes rook. If bishop comes over here, rook takes rook. You take the rook. He takes another rook. You take the rook. And he is here. It is equal. It is equal. Not much. In fact, this will be there. If this takes,
Sir.
this will be here. So, not this move.
Sir, I sent you the answer in chat.
Okay. Riddhi is over. Next is Ranveer.
C3, bishop to C3.
Perfect. Absolutely perfect. Attacking on queen. Queen has more power, na? So attacking on the queen That means this is very important. Now you have to save. You can't kill this now. If you kill this, bishop will
Yeah.
kill this. So
Yes.
now queen has
Still
to
have
be saved, and
but-
queen cannot be saved over here. So queen kills this, then you get this.
Takes
So
rook.
you get 7 points, sorry, 6 points, 5 plus 1, and opponent get only 3 points. That is bishop. And you get 1 pawn and 1 rook.
Yes.
Now here, if
And
this
then
comes over here, now you tell me whether you can kill this or not.
Mm, n-
No,
No, not.
sir.
No, because
No.
hidden attack is there and this is not supported. Good,
And
you
bishop
have
will
understood.
also pawn.
Yeah. No. Bad, Ranveer, bad. Bishop is also there is not a correct answer.
Yes,
बिशप
because
वहां पर रहेगा नहीं रहेगा तेरे को ये मारने को अलाउड ही नहीं है क्योंकि क्वीन विल टेक क्वीन
yes, हाँ,
सो नेवर थिंक ऑफ दिस बिशप इज देयर
yes.
गुड वन नेक्स्ट देव
सर तुमची स्क्रीन ग्लिच होते.
माझी जाऊन देत तुम्हाला हे मेन दिसतंय ना व्यवस्थित
नाही सर मला मध्येच दिसत नाही आता.
हैं?
ग्लिच होती. रिजॉईन करू?
माझे म्हणजे माझा फक्त माझा चेहरा जो आहे तो असा होतो ना बाका अख्खी स्क्रीनच होते एंटायर स्क्रीन I will stop the share and I will redo it. Now is it okay, beta?
Sir, he left the meeting.
So he had the problem. He will come back. No worry.
Sir, the knight to e5.
Hello.
Yes, Ranveer, are you there?
Yes,
Yes.
now I can see.
Yeah, knight to e5. Okay. Knight to e5. That is a good move. That is a good move. Attacking on queen. And what is the another attack, Dev?
Attacking.
Sir, can I say?
Yes. Yes.
So can I say
Yes, I said
attacking to pawns?
wrong. That is fork. Attacking on pawn and attacking on that is we call it as a fork. We are not looking at the fork. We are looking at discovered attack. So if he is attacking on the queen, where is the other attack?
Sir, on a6.
Perfect, on a6. And it is a mate. This king cannot go anywhere. See, this gone, this gone, this gone. So if queen is to be saved, let us continue. Okay. If you say this is good, I would say this is not good. I would say this is good. No, this is correct. This is correct. Sorry. Yeah, this is correct. Sorry, because otherwise, if this comes over here, na, then this is restricted. So here,
Sir, I
this
was about to tell
yeah,
you
this can
C5.
easily come. This can easily come over here. Na, now,
I was also.
so this is a wrong answer. The answer should be here. Now this cannot come over here. 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 Only thing is that here only. And then check and mate. You understood? There is a difference. यहाँ पर भी डिस्कॉर्ड अटैक है, बट ये डिस्कॉर्ड अटैक में क्या होता है, एक अटैक आपका बंद होता है, खुद के ही पीस को आप बंद कर रहे हो. You got it? A simple mistake. ऐसी मिस्टेक होती है कभी कभी, क्योंकि आपने डिस्कवर अटैक भी किया है, परफेक्ट, दोनों के ऊपर अटैक हुआ है आपका. सो एज पर आवर guidelines of discovered attack, this one attack and this another attack. But what about this? You have restricted yourself.
Yeah.
This comes over here. Then of course there are ways. Of course there are ways. This will come over here. Now this discord attack is there. It is, you have created the attack. Again, the problem will be this will come over here and give attack, and this attack will be there. So there are so many different ways basically. Max to max, what he can do is he can come over here, saving. Now, if this discord attack is there, this will come over here. This discord attack is there, this will kill. No? This will kill. So discord attack cannot be there. It has to be double attack. One this and one this. Then only this will come over here. Lot of problems are there. Again this, again this. So it will take a lot of time basically. So one wrong move and you will be in trouble. Are you understanding? Next, black to move. Next, किसका चांस है? इरा. Ira, I want answer from you. Huh? Even if it is wrong or right, it is okay, but I want it from your mouth. Black to move. Black is moving this side and white is moving this side.
Sir, what to move, black or white?
Arey, Aditya joined today. Very good. Aditya, nice to see you.
Hello, sir.
Hello, Aditya beta.
Sir, I sent you
I
the
have to
answer.
post. Yeah, I have to post 2 videos or 2 or 3 videos, I think, which I have not posted. Last Monday, 2 days, and last Wednesday also perhaps I have not posted. So all these videos I will post because you were absent for 3 days consecutive, Aditya. But for
Yes,
your
sir.
benefit, I will post all those things which I haven't. Okay. By
Okay,
today
sir.
only, most probably by today only, I will try to post, or by tomorrow morning you will get all this. Huh?
Okay,
I'm
sir.
sorry for the late. Okay. Yeah, Aditya,
Thank
you are
you.
welcome.
Sir, white to move or black to move?
It is whose chance? I said Ira.
Sir,
So it is black to move.
will move to E8.
Arey.